This is Susan Dawson with E3 Alliance. We'd like you to join us at Data-Driven Decision Making in Action. It'll be an immersive experience at South by Southwest EDU where we'll be working together to examine data to drive change on March 8th in the morning at the Hilton Hotel. Let me tell you a little bit about why you might want to be there, what you're going to see if you come, and who should be at the table. First, the why. If we're going to use data to drive change in education, to actually drive to action, we know that it's not just about access and data availability, but it's about building the capacity to use data better, and it's about building a culture of data usage. So we'll be talking about all of those things: data access and availability, capacity building, and building a culture of data use. What will you see if you be there? It really is an immersive experience. We'll be using interactive data tools that you can access from anywhere in the country to be able to better understand education trends, outcomes, geographical maps, tools that you might use to better understand how to translate information into action. Who should be there? Well, of course, we hope our partners from Central Texas will be there as we're building a data-driven culture in our region. But from anywhere in the United States or the world, you can come share with us an experience where we learn from each other how to use analytics, research, better data to drive better outcomes. So we hope that you'll join us, E3 Alliance, for our workshop on the morning of March 8th at South by Southwest EDU. Thanks.